students. In continuation of chapter 2, microorganism, friends and foe, we were discussing about friendly microbes. Already four topics we have discussed. Now I am starting next topic, and this one is increasing soil fertility. Some microbes are also useful in increasing soil fertility. You know very well that if after continuous farming in the same land year after year, it loses its fertility ability. But if some microbes are present in soil, in that condition, its fertility can be maintained for longer time. What are these microbes? Today we will see this. First one is blue-green algae. Blue-green algae. Second one is azobacter. Azobacter. And third one is Rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria. Each one has ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen. To fix atmospheric nitrogen into soil. Actually, azobacter are free-living bacteria in soil. Free-living bacteria in soil, whereas Rhizobium is present in nodules of leguminous plant. All are responsible for fixing atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, and in this way it maintains fertility of soil for longer time. Now, after this increasing soil fertility topic, we will discuss about sixth topic, and this sixth topic is cleaning the environment. Sixth one is cleaning the environment. Cleaning the environment. How is this possible? Actually, you know very well that living being, it may be plants, it may be animals, it may be anyone. Living beings die. But during lifetime, it also excretes some excretory product, feces, stools, etc. That means all are organic waste. All are organic waste. These organic waste may be in the form of feces, may be in the form of stools, may be in the forms of dried leaves, etc. Or dead body of organism. Dead body of organism. They die. If microbes are not present in our environment or in the soil, they will be as such forever. But due to presence of microbes in the soil, these organic waste or dead body of organism is gradually converted into soil, or gradually converted into some useful things, useful minerals of soil, and in this way it maintains the fertility of soil also, and also it cleans the environment. Now we will proceed in next day. Thank you.